Welcome to channel Crypto to Moon. What is Web 3.0? What were Web 1 and 2? The term Web 1.0 generally describes everything from the earliest interconnection of computer networks in the 1970s and 80s to the first flowering of browsers and websites in the 90s. In the next phase, Web 2.0 companies build applications on top of that. From social media to search engines, much of it based on content generated by users, although that made much of the web in one sense decentralized. Most things still run through big companies. The idea of Web3 is to create software and platforms that aren't dependent on traditional companies and Web 2.0 business models such as advertising. For example, users might pay for services directly using tokens. In an ideal world, Web3 services are supposed to be operated, owned by, and improved upon by communities of users. Now, what's this have to do with crypto? Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, works by having a public database called a blockchain record every transaction. It's decentralized because this ledger is maintained not by one company but by a vast network of computers all connected to the internet, whose operators are rewarded for the work with the chance to earn more Bitcoin. But you can do more with the blockchain than record transfers of digital coins. You can use it to make contracts and control how software and apps work. Web3 applications are often based on a technology called Ethereum, which, like Bitcoin, rewards the users who help maintain its network. Its coin is called Ether, which has a total market value of $511 billion. The apps themselves can also have associated tokens, which may not only pay for services but act like voting shares that govern the app's development and even fee structure. At least early on, much of the incentive for this activity often is the chance for appreciation in the token's price. It might rise as more users join the community, but of course it can also be inflated by speculation. There's a lot of that in crypto. Some of the Web 3.0 coins are Helium Network (HNT). The Helium Network steps in to ensure that the internet can be accessed by everyone in the world. It seeks to make the internet accessible like other services such as healthcare and shelter. Next one is Flux, FLUX. Flux also ranks among the top Web 3.0 cryptos. The Flux network seeks to create a new generation of the web. Next is Filecoin, FIL. The other thing on the list is Filecoin. Filecoin is a filing system that can be used for Web 3.0. The Filecoin networks acts as a decentralized storage network developed to be a safe alternative to cloud-based storage services. Another one is Ocean Protocol, OCEAN, the other protocol that offers all the tools needed to build a Web3 solution is the Ocean Protocol. The Ocean Protocol is well established in the Web 3.0 data economy. Its ecosystem is rapidly growing, making it one of the ideal bets for 2022. Next is Polkadot, DOT. If you have been in the crypto market for long, you have definitely come across Polkadot. However, many do not know that Polkadot is actually a Web 3.0 crypto. The network is known for seeking scalability, and compared to Ethereum, it ranks highly when it comes to achieving scalability by charging low fees and offering fast speeds. In my next video, I will cover a lot more 3.0 coins. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.